What's going on, guys? It's your boy Stunner Breezy, baby, coming to you live with another lit video, baby. Hey, you are looking live at the monster. You understand what I'm saying? You know what it is. First thing in the morning, time to feed the beast, baby. Man, the life changer. Hey, man, I don't know what to tell you why. But I know what. I gotta address some other stuff. I get this stuff every day, all day in my inbox. People sending me all this stuff, man. Look, let me show you something. Let me get to it. So we got the monster right. So people sending me this other one right. Exactly. That's what I said. The hell is that? Why would you? What are you? Bro, look at it. All right. You got a B&B to spare. You put a B&B in here. You gonna get point 0.2 B&B after 14. Why would I do that? When I got a certified monster paying me 17% a day. So give me 2.39 B&B at $250 a piece. I can't. Sometimes I just, and that's why I don't feel sorry for people. They take losses. You give them something that they can win, and they still looking for other stuff, doing all this other stupid stuff. Then they want to come to you crying, man, we're taking so many L's because you stupid. Ain't no one other way. This is plain dumb. Can somebody explain this to me? Why would you do this? Maybe I'm looking at it the wrong way. Why would you do this? Like, this is the stupid. You just giving them. That don't even make sense. I can see if this was first and you ain't know no one no better. But you got a monster paying you 17% a day for the same B&B. This ain't no special B&B. It's one B&B. Like, you said, well, I'm going to go hard and no, I'm going to go 5 B&B. All right, 5. 5 B&B will get you one B&B after 14 days. One. You're an idiot. Why would you risk 5 B&B just to make one when you got a monster? That would give you. If I got to explain this to you, bro, this is why in crypto, I always say this: there will be winners and there will be losers. And people say I be going too hard on the losers because you're stupid. You know what I'm saying? You got something right in front of you that can change your financial future, change your life, get you the Lambo, get you the Tesla. But you want to come over here and get the Hyundai. Well, don't get mad at me when I ride by the Lambo and you in the Kia. Don't get mad at me. Like, this is just absolutely mind-blowingly stupid. Like, I don't know no other way to put it. I just sit back. I just sit back. I just be like, man, do your thing, bro. That what you want to do it, bro. But stop. I can't believe you would even come to me with something stupid like that. Let's see what the contract is, man. What it is? We were 15-0 yesterday. Let's see what it is now. Let's see what it is now. 15-0. 15-0. Might be back down to 14. I don't know. 15-0. Let's see what the monster talking about now. 15. This thing is going up. This thing is like Bitcoin passing 20,000. 15. 200 since, well, I did a video, last night? When I did that video. 200 more. And actually more than that, because you got to understand, at every moment, people's 14 days is ending down here. That tells you how strong the contract is, bro. Every moment, every day, every moment of every day, somebody's 14 is ending. But that's a good thing. That means they getting grayed out and they out. So if you go down here, when it ends, you out. You grayed out, you gone. You got to put back in if you want a part of this monster. You ain't no free ride, baby. You understand what I'm saying? You see, I'm in it. Now, and I put this in, I thought there was no chance in hell I was going to get 19 B&B. But now, the longer this little blue line, oh no, it's still iffy. I don't know, 28 days, long time. But, hey, man, the way this thing going, oh no, I'm in it, Jack. I'm withdrawing B&B all day, every day. Where else can you do that? And I did this before I refreshed. The ratio just got worse. Now, if you put one B&B, you'll get 2.4. You put in 5, you'll get 12. Why on God's green earth would you put your money in this? I don't even. You give away money and then you get mad and go on everybody's Telegram and YouTube talking about you taking losses and everything is a scam and this and that and the other. This is why people think everything is a scam, because this stupid shit right here. I just Anyway, man, I'm gonna get off that. But y'all have at it, bro. Have fun. I'm gonna be up here with the beast. I'm gonna be up with the proven winner with the Hayes audit. If it ain't got a Hayes audit, I don't want it. Don't give me some GitHub, something I ain't never heard. Give me the Hayes audit. Everybody know where to go. They're standing up so far. Give me this. Give me the Hayes audit and we can talk. You ain't got this, we ain't talking. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, from one monster to another monster. Let's see what we got over here. I rub my hands together like bird, man. Baby, beehive. Now, let me say this. People get beehives mixed up with bee and beehives. There's two different things. Bee and beehives is the B and B side. Beehives is this. This is Tron hives, right? So B and beehives was over with a couple days ago, and then I forgot to mention on my video, but you got to understand. We talk about this stuff in the telegrams all day long. So by the time I make a video, a lot of stuff is old. That was old news. Like we do the countdown and everything. Hey man, it's going. So you got to be in these telegrams, man, to see what's going on. You understand what I'm saying? This is the monster right here on Tron side, bruh. This thing is printing Tron. People can't believe how much Tron they get. That's why the contract's still going up. This thing is just giving away Tron. Let me see how much my morning haul is on this. Come on. But this thing hate this recording software. What I had? 365? 46. Get it right. I want no extra. Give me what you owe me. No, you gotta give me no extra. Just give me what you owe me. That's all I ask for. What's that? 13,000? Come on, give me all the zero now. Come on. Y'all running off with the Tron? That's 13,000 Tron, bro. You do the math. You know how much Tron is. Don't front like you don't see Tron going up. This thing is just giving away Tron, bro. So that's another monster. I don't know what to tell you. I don't know when it's gonna end. I don't know, bro. Check the contract. I showed you a million times. Scroll down, check the contract. This contract is still going up and it's going up fast. So people they understanding how these things work now. They buying they selling their honey and they buying their bees with the wax. That's all you gotta do. And do your upgrade with your honey. You want this at least 58, 60. 60 the highest you can go. You want it 58 to 60. That's where you want it. But you gotta do this with honey. You know what I'm saying? Another monster, let's get to Ether Connect. You see the price? You see it? You see it. What you want me to say, man? Hey, I don't know, man. All I know, I'm gonna ride it till the wheels fall off. I told you I ain't looking at this in terms of 12 cents. This is dollars. This if BitConnect can go from 15 cents to 400, this can easily go to $1. They ain't even on chain yet. They ain't even really got going to what they gonna do. This is just for the early people. You know what I'm saying? This is just rewarding the early people. It's already can't get it at 11 cents no more. That's over. Can't get it at 10 cents no more. That's over. This thing is 12 cents. With the market going, Bitcoin back down to 50 something, 54,000, whatever, this is going up. And you can withdraw your earnings every day if you want. I ain't withdrawing jack. If I lose this 1,000, that's just what it is. Now, when you deposit, this is locked for 365 days. This is locked for 365. Now, when you come on here, read the white paper, man. Don't ask me all these questions. Read the white paper. If you want to know all these intricate details of the team and all that, read the white paper. Download the PDF. But this is locked for 1 year. You get your tokens, they're automatically staked. You get this percentage every day. You understand what I'm saying? It comes right here. Then when you want to withdraw, you just hit withdraw. Don't forget to go to your profile and put in your ETH address because it pays you in ETH to whatever address you got on file, right? So when you go to withdraw, whatever number you see at the top, or if you want less or whatever, put it in. Let me see, 21,713, right? Then you click preview. It's going to tell you what it's going to give you in terms of ETH. That's 1.5 ETH. I can hit withdraw. and it'll pay me 1.5 E. But I ain't gonna do that. You know what I'm saying? I'm not withdrawing nothing. Get that Birdman rub, baby. Beast on top of beast on top of beast. But you know, I know some of y'all is the crypto police. Y'all don't like to do this. Y'all, you know, walking around in your preacher robe, you know what I'm saying, telling people what's good and what ain't. Man, hey, let people do what they gonna do, man. You know what I'm saying? Hey, it is what it is over here, baby. I'm just showing you certified monsters. You know what I'm saying? Everything, it ain't gonna last forever. You know what I'm saying? Now you might, hey, pick what you want to pick. I ain't even went to my other stuff. That's just these three. And the video already too long. But anyway, man, you on the Tron side, come in here. You on the East side, go and Ether Connect. You on the BNB side, go in the BNB State. If it's something better to come along, your boy gonna be on it. Hit that notification. Hit that subscribe. Holla back at your boy, man.